So far, okay, everyone, we know how to create applications, right? Everyone, right? We know how to create objects, tabs, fields, right? In fields, relationships, roll-up summary. Yes. So roll-up summary, we can create only on the master object, not on child object. Remember it. Roll-up summary can perform aggregate results, sum, minimum, max, and count. Sum means sum of. Count means it gives the record count like that. And we have filterized roll-up summary also. Yesterday we have been created roll-up summary between two custom objects, one standard object and one custom object, and two standard objects. Clear? So, intro perspective point, they will ask you majorly what is roll-up summary, what are the operations performed by the roll-up summary. So they will ask, and they'll ask you, can we create a roll-up summary and a lookup relationship? You simply say no. Then they'll ask you question, what is the relationship between account and opportunity? It is also a lookup, but that lookup is not a custom lookup. It is a standard lookup given by the Salesforce. It is a strongly bonded, so I can create. Then why don't you create a roll-up summary between account and contact? Account and contact is also having a standard lookup relationship as like opportunity. Why? Because a single contact is associated to multiple accounts. That is the reason we cannot create. So something like that. Earlier we can create. Before 2014, we can able to create a roll-up summary. But after 2014, they came up with a new feature associating a single contact with a multiple accounts. So at that time, they removed that option. Okay. See, there's a one more data type we have. Okay, the data type is nothing but a formula. That is a formula. Okay, it is a read-only field. As like auto number and roll-up summary, it is a read-only field. That means the value will be populated by the system, not by you. No worries. The value will be populated by the system, not by you. Okay, it is a read-only field. Generally, you know this one, right? A equal to 10. Okay. B equal to 10. C equal to A plus B. What is the C result? What is the C result? 20. Simple, right? What is this A? Input value. A is an input which is having 10 value. B is an input resource having a value 10. Plus is nothing but an operator. Plus is nothing but an operator. This complete stuff is nothing but an expression, right? Input resource, input resource, input resource, operator, expression. We assign this expression to, assigning means equal to. Equal to is nothing but an assignment operator. And C is a result, output. A and B are input resources. C is an output resource. What is the C output? 20. If I change input resource, will be change in the output resource or not? Right? This is the input values. This is the output value. We can give explicitly input values. Based on the expression, system will calculate and it will perform the this expression related stuff, and it will give the result for us. It is a systematic value. Clear? Any question? This is nothing but formula, right? Formula. So based on the inputs, the output will be vary. Okay. So creation of formula is simple inside a Salesforce. Just follow me. Okay. So just follow me. Creation of formulas is very simple. Okay. Try to understand. So to learn formulas, okay, two things are there: operators, functions. We can easily understand these operators and functions. Okay. Operators and functions inside a Salesforce. No need to by heart everything. Go with rhythm. See, operators. We have mathematical operator, logical operator, text operators, three operators. What are the mathematical operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, dividend, right? We already seen these things. Logical operator, equal to, double equal to. This is assignment and this is comparison. This is not equal to, not equal to. Both are the same. You can use this one or this one. Okay? This is called not equal. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, under. You know, we in the elementary level, we have learned all these things. In the elementary level only, we have learned all these things. This is R symbol. This is an R symbol. This is a text operator. What is this text operator? And. Single and. Double and means this is different. This is a concatenation kind of a symbol. Concatenation means appending two text values. We'll decide that. Okay. So these are nothing but what are the operators we have? Mathematical operator, logical operator, and text operator. No one will ask you the interview questions. Don't worry. Okay. No one will ask you the interview questions. How many operators are there? No. Okay. These are the functions. What type of functions are there? Date functions, logical functions, mathematical functions, text functions, summary, advanced, different functions are there. If you consider almost 100 plus functions will be there. No need to put everything in your brain. Go with the flow. Okay. Function means behavior. What is that? Function means behavior. The behavior given by the Salesforce. The behavior given by the Salesforce. Function is nothing but a method. Method is nothing but a behavior. Now I am teaching the subject to you. That is a function, behavior. You are listening, right? That is a behavior. Whatever I am teaching, you are listening or not, right? That is a function. So similarly, we have some functions. This is a date and time function. Date. If I use this function, it will use the date for us. If I use this function, it will use the day for us, current day for us. Got it? This one will give minutes. Now means current date and time. Current date and time. See, everything has been written here. So generally what people will do, they'll open these date functions and they'll try to by heart everything. Useless. Just see and leave it. Just see and leave it. Whenever the requirement comes, your brain automatically goes here. Today means it will give the current date like this. This is a logical function. And is blank, case, if, clone, is new, is null. We'll see all these things based on the use cases. These are the mathematical functions. Formulas are never-ending concept. Till at the end, we will get formulas. We are going to construct formulas, normal formulas to the field, okay, through validation rules, in workflows, in process builder, in flows, or in any other logical code. We are going to write the formulas everywhere, okay, because these certain things are required. These functions, These operators are required for to perform our logical operations. Clear? So I said you have to go through these formulas and operators. Just look and leave. Don't by heart. We cannot memorize it. Definitely, I'm saying. Okay. Ready? See, when I open the account, any other account, see, I want a unique field on the account record. Unique field. Unique field means it must be combinations for me. I want unique number. I can say it as an account unique number or an account unique name. Can it as AUN means what? Account unique name. I want the combinations like this. Name of account underscore phone, okay, underscore primary email. What is account name here? This one. What is the phone number here? This one. Primary email, did I create? Customer primary email. Okay. So for time being, I'm just creating one email ID. This is the email ID. Okay. So these combinations, it becomes as a unique queue. You cannot find such kind of a combination again. So I want make this one as a unique queue. How to do this one? Boss, we can do like this now. Let us say, for example, already description field is there. Okay. As you said, I will only explicitly copy this account name and I'll put it here. Underscore phone number. Underscore. Where is that primary? I can able to write it, right? In a text field. Save this one. There is save button here. It is saved, right? It is this combinations is a unique, right? Okay, but there is a problem here. There is a problem. Now, right? As per the requirement, I have been given like this. This combination is a unique queue. No problem at all. But my question is now, phone number has been changed, boss. You got it? Phone number has been changed to 999. Save. Is this value changed here? Again, my agent is going like this, clicking. He memorized it and he explicitly entered the data. Okay. After 10 days, my email has been changed. My email has been changed. Again, my agent will come and he has to change it. Boss, single record, fine. I can memorize it. But in the industry, we are dealing with millions of records. We are going to update millions of record at a time. Okay. And how can I memorize? How can I go each and every record and I can memorize and I can adjust this one? It could be a problem to me, right? So in this case, so we have been providing a solution. Okay, we can deal this one with the formulas because uh, I cannot handle such kind of a things. System can memorize. Whenever saving the record, system can memorize and it can perform automatically. Let us see how you create a field. Come here, view object. Now we are taking the system's help. Click on fields and relationships. Click on new. Now the final data type that what we are selecting here, formula. Before going to the formula, see this, a read-only field that drives the value from a formula expression you define. Formula expression you define. This field is updated whenever any source field is changed. This is what my expectation is. So I have been selected this one and clicking on the next, going to the next screen. Same classic screen. What is the type of this one here? What kind of format it is? Numerical, number. What kind of format it is? Number. I can say these two are nothing but a number data types. I given 10 rupees to you. For example, I just given a 10 rupees to you. Now you have to return me. What you will return? I given a 10 rupees to you. You have to return again 10 rupees. Right? So I given a numerical format. So I can expect the output is also numerical. So I can say these are data types. I can say this is a return type. Formula will always gives the written information for you. Return type. Understood? I given inputs as numbers. So I can expect the output is also a number. Expecting output as a number is nothing but a return type. Got it? Return type. This is what return type of formula. Your formula will give the output. In which format you want the output? Also you can mention here. In data type, only these things will be there. No relationships, nothing will be there. Only these things. So as per our requirement, I am just going to create account UL, account unique number, name, return type. Might be phone number have some numbers, symbols. Gmail have, email have some symbols. Name will have some symbols, characters, numbers. So that means it's a combination of text. So as per this requirement, I am expecting it's a text kind of a format. So I'll choose text. What I have been chosen? Text. Why text? Before writing the formula, everyone, before writing the formula, okay, you have to predict the output. Got it? You have to predict the output. Once you predict the output, you will know the format of that output. So, as per the requirement, I am predicting this kind of a formatted data. This kind of a combination of data is nothing but a text. So that is I predicted it and I make it as a text here. Right? So when you come here, if you see, there is a simple formula and there is a advanced formula. How many types of formulas are there? Simple formula and advanced formula. We have to be decide which formula should I choose. It always depends upon the use case. Okay. If you are unable to be decide to go with a simple or advanced, blindly close your eyes, go to the advanced. I want to show you the variation between the simple and advanced. Let us observe. Observation is very important. From the beginning onwards, we are observing, right? How many fields are there on account? Many fields are there. Hmm? See this? I just click on the simple formula. I'm on the simple formula, right? Selected field type. Which object this is? Account object. These are the fields of the accounts. There are many fields are there, right? Why they are not showing? There are many fields are there. On account object, if you see, for time being, I want to show you all the fields. Even I can show it in the classic as well. See, all these are the fields. Custom only we have created these many fields, right? But why here only showing few? Okay, go back, previous screen. Okay. Now instead of text, let me choose time. For example, forget about our use case. Let me choose time. Click on next. I'm selecting simple formula. Array, why not showing anything? Okay. Go back again. Let me choose date. Array, why it's showing only few? That to date related fields. That means whatever in a simple formula, I repeat, in a simple formula, whatever the return type you select, based on that return type only, input fields will be showing. Okay. You won't believe me? Come. Now you choose only currency. Is a currency field in the account? Revenue, right? These are the currency, numerical related stuff. Sum of, we created na? All these things yesterday, roll-up summaries. Roll-up summary value is also taking input into the formula. Everyone understood? So if I choose text here, text related fields only showing. If I choose date, date related fields are showing. If I choose percentage, percentage related fields will be shown here. Dependency is there in the simple formula. And here operators also there. When I choose text, what is the operator it is showing? Concatenation operator, text operator it is showing. There are other operators are there, mathematical and logical, where not showing. Why? Because we have taken the return type as a text. Go back. Now I choose the date. These are the date fields are showing, and these operators are showing that only few. Got it? Dependency is there in the simple formula. Operators are showing bus, but then where is the functions? In a simple formula, it will show operators and the field values based on the return type dependency. Now, when you go to the advanced formula, no matter what return type you choose, it show everything. It show everything. This is the account object. Account object related fields are showing. Account object has a relationship with the user object. User object fields are showing. It has a relation with the role. Role is showing. Like this connectivity objects are showing, isn't it or not? Connectivity objects, relationship objects are showing. Have you seen such kind of a relationship objects in simple formula? No, only in advanced formula. So whatever the option you choose, it's showing the all the operators or not? text, mathematical, logical operators are showing. See, here functions are also showing functions. Date, logical, mathematical, text, advanced. Isn't it or not? Clear? Are you understanding? Simple formula is always depends upon the written type. For advanced formula, no need. Okay. Now you confused. Boss, I confused. Shall I take a simple formula, advanced formula? If you confused, only one answer directly. You go and open the advanced formula and straightforwardly write the formulas. Okay. Now let me go and write with a simple formula. Because it is very simple. Whatever the situation I given. Okay. I know I can be able to do it with operators. Text. I can able to do with this concatenation operator. This account object. I am taking account object, account name. As per this account name, this account name. Next underscore phone. I want to append the two input values, right? So I will use the concatenation operator. Underscore. Again, concatenation operator. That means I concatenated name underscore by using this one. Okay. Now I would like to add phone number, right? Phone. Now I am appending by using this appending symbol. I am appending this underscore and phone. Similarly, you can make it for which one here? Primary. See, is primary customer, primary email. These two are the standard fields. This is a custom field I created. This custom field underscore I concatenated, I appended with this and symbol. This phone and this one I concatenated with this one. This name and this one I concatenated with this one. This underscore and phone I concatenated with this one. Got clarity? Simple, right? Nothing much difficulty here. Very simple. Now you can check if there is syntactical issues, it will show here. Now there is no syntactical issues. And you know about description and help text, no worries. Click on next. And it is asking visibility of your profiles. So I just given by default access to all the profiles. Field level security, that is. It is asking, shall I show this field onto the layout? That means layout means this one. Shall I show that field here or not? It is asking. Click on save. First time in the history of Salesforce, we have created a formula field. System only calculates based on the input values, and it will provide the information for us. What is this? This is the formula. Now go and open your account record. Refresh. See this. AUN is populated or not? Here text value is there, and here is a formula value is there. Clear? Now I am going to change the input resource. I'll change this one to 77747. Click on save. Automatically your formula has been changed, but this is not changed. Now which one is better solution? Formula is a better solution. Clear? Without end user interaction, system also will taken care. This is one of the thing. Yesterday also we have taken care about the system part of it. This is also taken care of the system. See, that's why it is read-only fields. That's why you can see the lock symbols here. Have you seen the lock symbol here? Yeah, all these are lock symbols. Clear? Formula is one of the field, read-only field. System will calculate based on the inputs what you define. Okay, we have two types of formula: simple formula and advanced formula. Simple formula is depends upon the return type what you have been chosen, and the operators will show. Functions will never show. Functions will never show. Clear? See, this is a formula field. I cannot edit this one. Clear? Now, let's go see the cases. By looking into this case, can you say how many days back this case has been created? 126. Jan 26. What is the day today? 8th. How many days you count?
13 days.
13 days. Right? After one day, next day, 14 days. After 1 week, after 1 year,
20 days.
I cannot count it, right? Of course, it's a last month, I can be counted here. But after 1 year, I need those days. How many days back this case has been created? I cannot memorize and every day, see, let us say there is a description field, right? So right now I just make it as a 13 days back. The age of case is 13 days back. Okay, save it successfully. Again, tomorrow I open this record. One day has been increased, right? Now I'll make it as a 14 days back. It is useless thing, right? Every time I'm updating that one. Whenever I open this case record, I want to see the age of the case. That too in days. Simple, that is simple form. Don't need to worry. So obviously we have to depends upon the formula. Forget about the how to write the option. I'm thinking about how to choose a formula. How you decide to go this requirement with the formula or not. Only think about that one. నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే ఫార్ములా ఎలా రాయాలి అనేది కాదు, ఎలా రాయాలి అనేది గూగుల్ చెప్పేస్తా, లేదా నీ లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ చెప్పేస్తా. ప్రాబ్లమే లేదు దానిలో. ఓకే, కానీ ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఫార్ములానే తీసుకోవాలా తీసుకోకూడదని నువ్వు డిసైడ్ చేయమని. యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు సే? Forget about the logic. Logic you can find it somewhere in the Google or somewhere else, or by your own. Okay, but my primary intention is for the requirement, for this requirement, whether I need to go with a formula or not, you have to be decided. That you have to be decided. So I decided to go with a formula. Click on fields. Click on new formula. Case age in days. Number, right? You will get number. I'll go with the date. Let us check. Now tell me, here fields are not showing. Okay, fields are not showing. Okay, let's go with the number. And I'm giving preceding values as 0. Here also, case related fields are not showing. So obviously, of course, return type, either you put a date or number, no worries. But I will put as a number because I want this one. Without preceding values I want. So that is the reason I have been chosen as a number. Because how many days back? 10 days, 11 days, 14 days, right? That's 14, 10. What is it? Those are the numbers. So my output must be comes in the form of number. So that is the reason I took as a number. So simple formula is not useful for me. So obviously I can go with a advanced formula. Now, how to deal? So logic is very simple. So how you decided? How you said it is 13 days back? How you decide it is 13 days back? You took today date and you have been taken this date, right? You counted from today and going back. So that is the reason you got a value. So I will also do the same thing. I'll also do the same thing. I will take today. So here date and time functions will be there. Choose it. Functions. I am choosing now. Returns date time representation of current movement. Why I choose a date time? Okay. Here today is also there. Here today is also there. Today means returns current date. Now returns date plus time. If you see this date time closed, what date time open or date time closed, anything is fine, right? It's a combination of date plus time, right? So that is the reason I'm choosing now. Now operator minus inside a case we have a date time open. That is nothing but a created date of your case. Insert. Clear? No issues, right? Next. First time I have used a function in the formula. Case age in days. Now come here and refresh the screen. So how many days back? 11, 12 days back. 12 days back, we have, you just open the same record tomorrow. 13 will come. Check these cases. This is recently we have been created yesterday or something. 2 days back. Got the point? Clear? If I open the same case tomorrow, the value will become as 3. Clear? I have been used function. I have been used function. Which function? Now. I have used operator. Which operator? Minus. I have used return type. Which return type? Number. How I decided all these things? Based on the requirement. Based on the requirement. ఇవే ఉంటాయి రియల్ టైంలో కూడా. నా కేస్ ఏజ్ కావాలి. కేస్ ఏజ్ నేను డేస్లో చెప్పా. కేస్ ఏజ్ని మినిట్స్లో అడుగుతారు కొంతమంది. నాకు మినిట్స్లో కావాలంట. ఓకే ఫైన్. So you are understanding, right? Okay. So first time I have created a simple formula. Second time I have created a advanced formula. A little bit of advanced formula. Small advanced formula. Okay. Now there is another type of formula. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
。
No matter whether you're in a classic or lightning experience, but my flexibility is a classic because of easy, fast screenings. This is a case, right? This is a account, right? Or else let us see. This is an account. This is an account. This account has cases or not? 3 cases are there. If I open a case, and I'm dealing with this account, on the case itself, I want to see this account number. There is account number. Got it? This is the account number. This is the account number. I want to see this account number on the respected cases so that I'll get some little bit clarity. Like generally what people are doing as for time being, they'll create one more field and they'll populating like this for each and every case. Save. They open these 3 cases and clicking on this description and giving like this, save. Clear? This case number, which case number? It is account case number. And I have been populated on the 3 cases now. Okay. Now one more case has been created for this account. One more case has been created for this account. So when I'm populating, one second. Yeah, come here, click on new. Here is Jack. So when I'm populating here like this and just giving something information, right? Here there is a description. This account, right? What is that account related number? This is account related number. I copied this, came here, and I populated and I save. A new case is creating, I'm just populating this one. Now the case number has been changed, boss. Added a double sum at the end. Clicking on the save. Now what should I do? I have to go to each and every case. I have to open and I have to add it. Isn't it or not? Again, I have to click on save. Isn't it or not? Right now, how many cases are there? 4 cases are there. Okay, I will took time and I will update those 4 cases happily like this. Right? How many cases I have been updated? 4 cases has been updated based on this account. Okay, excellent. For this account, there are thousands of cases are there. What you will do? Problem again. If multiple records are there, problem. I cannot manage such kind of a things. First of all, whenever the situation came, you have to be think whether end user can handle or not. If end user is not handling, go with the system. These kind of a things end user cannot handle. If it's a few records, okay, handle. If it is more records, he cannot handle. Right? That it is a regular activity. Don't know at what time this account record is got updated. Whenever account record got updated, end user has to be memorized it. Okay, account record got updated. How many account records got updated? Many account records will be updated. So many cases will be has to be updated. It is a headache process. Now what should I do? Exactly. Formula. Now you decide. This is account and this is case. Which is parent, which is child? Account is parent. Child, cases. Now which object, on which object should I create a field? Case. Why on case? Because I want to see the account number. I want to see that I want to see this account number on the case. So I'm going to create a formula field. I'm going to create a formula field. How? Can I go and bring the value here? Yes. You are going to write a formula field. This formula field go to its parent. And it will bring this value down. We can call it as cross-reference formulas. What is that? Cross-reference formulas. We have simple formula, advanced formula, cross-reference formulas. Which formula it is? Cross-reference formula. Ready? Ready for the cross-reference formula?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to the case, open a new field, go, click on new, select formula, click on next. I am giving account number. Okay. Account number is a combination of text. I already predicted output. So it's a combination of text, like combination of characters and numericals. Obviously, I'm not dealing with single object. I'm dealing with multiple objects here. Account and contact. That means multiple objects. Multiple objects means go with only advanced. Now I'm in a cases. Cases has a parent object called account. Account has a field called account number. How simple it is. Again, click on this. Cases is a current object. This object has a parent called account. How I know? Here arrow mark is there. See. When I click on this arrow mark, it opens that parent object related information. Clear? And that parent object has a account number. So you will get like this account number. Account. You are on a case. Account is a parent. Parent object dot field. Got the point? That's it, done. Check syntax. If you want to know whether the syntax is correct or not, you have to click on this. Check syntax. Very simple formulas. No need to write big 10 lines, 5 lines, not required. Salesforce is very simplified one. Just click on this. It's saying no issues. Go ahead. See this account number. This is also a formula field. But if you see this one, this is also a formula field. This is also a formula field. But what is this symbol? Cross-reference symbol. That means we have written this formula based on only single object. But we have written this formula based on two objects. That means parent object and child object. Now let's go and refresh the screen. I can see account number this one. Okay. Go and open each and every record. Refresh. Say automatically value came. That it is a read-only stuff. Came or not? Now you go to the parent, click on edit. Let's add 09 at the end. Save. I have been updated on the account level. Automatically system will update. See, 09 came, but still here no 09. Why? Because it is going to be handled by the end user. It is going to be handled by the system. System is very fast. System knows. Whenever the parent record has been updated, system knows. Now come here and refresh. Come here and refresh. Come here and refresh. Without user interaction, if you want to perform with the systems, means only one option is there. That option is nothing but a formula. Yes. Okay, let me create a new case. Right? That formula field is not showing here because it's a read-only field. And that too, it is a system calculated. Whenever the record has been created or updated, it will take care. Ready? I created a new case and it brings automatically from the parent. See, the case age is also 0. It's a new case. If I open tomorrow, it becomes as a 1. See this? How simple it is. Meaningful. Right? So this is called as cross-reference formula. What is that? Cross-reference, cross-objective formulas also. Some people say a cross-objective formula or cross-reference formulas. Anything is fine. How can you decide it's a cross-reference means? Very simple. By looking into this option, you can see. It is a cross-reference. See, you're going from child to parent and bringing the value. And here you can see in the expression dot notation, you can see the dot notation. Visible dot here, everyone, right? Offline people. So formulas are very simple. Forget about the logic. You decide whether it is a user interaction or a system interaction. Then if it is a system interaction, I obviously go with the formula. Clear? Simple formula, advanced
Yes.
formula, and cross-reference formula. Happy? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, we'll see user reference formula. User. Which formula? User reference formula. This is highly interesting. User reference formula. Okay. Boss. 2 users are there, boss. 2 users are there. This user is Srikanth. Okay. This user is Madan. Okay. 2 users are there. We have one opportunity record. We have one opportunity record. We have one opportunity record. These 2 users can view. These 2 users can view the same record. If I log in with Srikanth, he can see this record, SMB order 1. If Madan is viewing this record, he can see SMB order 1. When Madan is dealing this opportunity, he must be able to give discount up to $10. Okay, $10. He will give discount $10 on the opportunities. If Srikanth is viewing and he is dealing this opportunity, he can give up to $15 discount. Same, right? Let us say in the company, sales reps can give some discount. On top of sales rep, managers can give more discount. You got it? What I'm trying to say? If Srikanth is dealing the SMB order, the discount must be 15. If Madan is dealing this order, the discount must be 10. Ready? Very interesting. Very simple. Very easy. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Two users are there, you and me. When I am dealing that opportunity, $15. When you're dealing that opportunity, $10. Okay. So, for this, how I decide whether Srikanth is 15, whether Madan is 10 means, I will create one new field here. I will create one new field. User eligible discount. One percentage value. Percentage field I will create. Okay, I will give the input as 15 here. Okay, 15%. Actually, this is a percentage symbol, actually, not dollar. Discount percentage. I can give 15% discount. Madan can give 10% discount. It has to come from the user level. It has to come from the user level. Clear? Got it? What I'm trying to say? Let's go and create. This is a user object or not? Go to the user object where user is the users. Directly you can go and create view fields. I'll create a new field and I'm giving percentage. User eligible discount to values as proceedings. How many user records are there for us? Two user records. One is Srikanth, another one is end user. For end user, I'll give discount as 10%. So, for Srikanth, he can able to eligible discount for him is 15%. Right? 15%, 10%. Now, open opportunity. Who is the logged in person here? Srikanth. That means this guy. Any opportunity. Let's say I open this opportunity. When I open this opportunity, who is logged in? Srikanth. And here discount value must be 10%. The same opportunity, let me open with another user. Six 00113 verification code came to my Gmail. Okay. Who is this guy? End user. Two users are there. I opened. Two users are there. Let me open the same record. This I copy Control A, Control C from Srikanth. Going to this end user, paste it, enter. Is same record or not? When I see the same record, here I want to see the discount value as 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Here 15, same record. How it will show a variation? Let us say, for example, in the description, in the description I given, this is Srikanth, right? Srikanth viewing. Okay, make it as 15%. I saved it. So it's showing Srikanth viewing 15%. The same record when I open here and when I refresh, I can see 15 here. Not 15, it must be 10. Now who is viewing? Correct. End user viewing 10%. I'm explicitly adding like this physically. Right? End user 10%. Now again Srikanth is viewing, showing as 10%. It is a wrong. What is my expectation? When Srikanth is viewing, it must, if he is dealing, it must be 15%. When end user is dealing, it must be 10%. Now go and create a formula field. Where? In the opportunity. Click on new. Eligible discount. I just given percentage. Obviously advanced. Okay. Click on insert. Now the input, it has to be come from the user level. Here dollar user is there na. Dollar user means logged in user. Whoever viewing the record, that user guy. In this user I created which one? Eligible. Discount eligible. Huh? Company name, department, employee, tick, 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 tick. Here, user eligible discount. See, dollar user. This is not cross reference. If you see the dot also, it is not. Of course, it is a cross reference. Okay, forget about the cross reference. Dollar user means logged in user. Logged in user. That login user related eligible discount. If the Srikanth 15 here, it will come. Okay, when he open the record. When sales rep open the record, it shows 10 automatically. Check the syntax. No syntactical issue. Simple formula, advanced formula, cross-reference formula, user reference formula. This is. Ready? Open this opportunity, refresh the screen. See here, eligible discount is how much? 15. For whom? Srikanth. Copy the same record. You go here, paste it or do it. Now he can see 10. Without user interaction, the percentage value has been varied based on the end user login. So that if you want to create such kind of a things, we have to deal with the formulas. Which formula? User level formula. No need to be worried. In a real time, If you working, they will give high level solution document. Which one? High level solution document. Your architect or your team lead will decide. Configure means editor. I can't edit it. This value, user like. That's why I created user record, right? And the user I have been given. Input is coming from the user record. Output is showing on the opportunity. Previous example also, input is coming from the account. Output is showing on the case. It shows the result as a logged in user. See here, same field, but difference in the value. Same record, same field, but difference in the value. Why? Because it always takes about the logged in user. If you want to take the logged in users or logged in profiles, means you have to deal with the dollar symbol. This is called as user level formula. User level formula. Now you can apply discount, right? How you will calculate a discount formula? Anyone knows discount formula? Because here there is an amount. This is the amount. 15% of this amount means how much? Sorry, 600. 10%. Sorry, you listen. 10%, Jordan. What is the 10% of this amount?
23,000.
How you decide?
23,500.
23,500, 10%.
Yes.
How you decide? Might be the value will be changed here. Right? Tell me the formula. Discount formula. I will write here. Amount. Opportunity amount. Yes. By
no, multiplies.
Multiply. What is
10%.
that? User.
Discount.
Eligible discount. Divided by
100.
Let us check. Right? Syntactically, it is correct. What is this? It is showing 15% means $352. Okay. Of course, it is a wrong actually. The calculation, the formula, what I have been in, it is a wrong. But whatever it may be, wrong calculation, wrong formula. Okay, no worries. You go discount formula. See, like this, discount into list price into 100. Okay, this is the formula actually we have to do. Okay. Here,
Yes.
discount divided by into 100. Like this. First, let me divide the value. The next, multiply it. Check syntax. Yeah, this is also right. Amount into percentage amount divided by 100. But we have to be multiply it actually. Right? It is wrong formula again. Okay. The calculation has been wrong. Okay. Let's go with the MBA people. Where is your formula given? Amount into
amount
percentage.
into discount percentage by 100. Sir.
Okay, I'll do it now. Amount into percentage. Yes, divided by means this operator. Right? Monica,
Yes,
right?
sir. No.
Huh?
No, it's correct.
No, it's correct,
Yes, sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First multiplication, then divide. Okay. Previously, what we have done, first divide and then multiply. That is wrong
Multiply.
actually. We saved it. Now refresh. This is correct. Oh, first also the same thing, right? Let me check here. Anyway, you got the point what I'm trying to say. Okay. 10%. 10% means $235 for this. 15% means $352 I can gain. Okay, I can gain $352. Clear? This is what? See, based on the discount value, we are calculating. This is now this one and this one. If you see this formula, here I given user reference, right? Here I given user reference, na? I will remove it. Click on this one. Click on opportunity. Can I give like this? What is this eligible discount? Check syntax. You can see the same output, no worries. But the expression has been changed. See, you can see one formula has been input to the another formula. Yes. See this. This is a formula field. This is a formula field. If you see this one, this is a formula field. This formula field takes user reference. This formula field as an input to this formula. It is also doable. Are you understanding what I am trying to say? One formula field has been referred to the another formula field as an input. Okay, these kind of certain things also will be there in a real-time entity. So to show you that one, I have been created like this. Clear? One formula return type, one formula result can be input to another formula also. Okay, but anyway, the discount value has been varied based on the logged in users. The amount value and the percentage value based on the user references. Clear? Formulas are very simple. Okay, simple formula, advanced formula, cross-reference formula, user reference formula. One formula can be as an input to the another formula. That means one formula output can be input to the another formula. ఇవి తెలుసుకుంటే చాలు. I am not expecting you to write, because so now I found some discount formula where I found in a Google. How do I calculate a discount? Got it? Based on these expressions, you can create formula. Everything will be there in the real time edit in the Google. Nowadays, chat GPT also came. You type what is how to calculate discount, it will give the output file. You copy that output and go to your formula. You replace your input values with this. Based on that expression, you can create. Clear? Anything is simple, isn't it or not? Now, there is another option is there, that is called conditional based formula. What is that? Conditional based formula. I am going to teach you that one conditional based formula in the next coming sessions. Based on condition, we can create some formula. Okay, I will create conditional based formula in next coming sessions, because we have validation rules, we have workflows, we have process builder, we have flows. At that time, these conditional based formulas we have to be create. Okay, conditional based ante em ledhu. Let us say, for example, you go to the account. If account phone number is available, then populate information like this. If account phone number is not available, then take input source as a account number and populate a value like this. That is a one kind of. Okay, create a conditional based formula. So I will create one conditional based formula. It is a never-ending concept. It will come in many aspects of points. Let us say there is an account, and account has some inputs like name, phone, account number, email. Okay, if phone is available, phone is not null. Not null means not empty or not blank. Not blank. Then show AUN like this. Name underscore, phone underscore, email like this. Else means phone is not empty. Phone is blank. Okay, phone is blank. Then show AUN like this. Name, account number underscore, email. You got the clarity? If phone number is available, show the format like this. If phone is not available, show the format like this. Conditional based formula. Now I am writing. Obviously text only. And I'm going with advanced formula. Okay. Conditional based. Conditional means logical. I'm going to use all this stuff in the next coming sessions. No worries. So as for time being, I'm choosing the if condition. If here I need to write a logic. What is the logic? If phone is not blank. Not blank. Here it is a blank symbol is there. Here it is a blank symbol is there. But I want to check not blank. Not blank. Not blank means, first of all, I need to choose not. Not. Inside this, I have to write a logic. Is blank. The expression it is asking. What kind of expression it is asking? Account Where is this phone number? See this? It's a general common English language. If account phone is not blank, అంటే phone లో value ఉంటే this statement will execute. Phone లో value లేకపోతే this statement will execute. If phone is available, I want to go with this format. How you decide the format? Again, you know, account name, concatenate, right? So underscore, yes. Phone. Email means primary, that customer primary email, right? Isn't it or not? If phone number is not blank, print like this. If phone number is not available, instead of this phone, what you have to be choose? Account number. How simple it is. This is a conditional base. Conditional base always comes with the if condition. Okay, the statement will be like this. If logic true, comma, false. If logic is success, this statement will execute. If logic is fail, this statement will execute. I wrote the same thing. This is the logic. If it is success, this one will print. If this is fail, this one will print. Ready? No syntactical issue. First time we have written a conditional based formula. This is a formula. Now come here, refresh the screen, AUN. See, it shows the same result. Let's open another account where we do not have phone number. See, these accounts do not have a phone number. Open it. They don't have phone number. It's showing like this. Okay, because why they don't have the email and they don't have the, let me provide necessary information other than phone number. Because account number is not there. Let me give the account number. And this is not there. I'm just giving. Save. See, phone number is not available. So that is the reason this one took, which one it took? Account number. Account number. What is the account number? This is the account number. But see this AUN, this is a plain formula. That is not for phone is not available, that's why it is a blank. But here if phone is not available, we have been going the unique number with the this one. You got clarity what I'm trying to say? This is called conditional based. Simple formula, advanced formula, cross-reference formulas, user formula. A formula will be an input to the another formula, and conditional based formula. Formulas are never-ending concept. Okay, till at the admin at the end or the development beginning or something, whatever it may be, we are going to see this kind of logics and conditional based and everything we are going to see. Okay, I will give one link to you today. Follow that link. One PDF link I will give you. I'll post in the Telegram channel. Okay, find it out. Trial heads chestnara. Please do trial heads. This is very important. Okay. So this is what formula. Formula is a one kind of a field. Roll-up summary is a one kind of a field. Auto number is a one kind of a field. Lookup and masters are the one kind of a field. Checkbox, phone number, text long, text reach, those are all the fields. So far we have been discussing only about the data types. So tomorrow, we are going to create our own screens. Tomorrow, we are going to create our own screens. Majorly, this classic and lightning experience, I am going to show you how to create our own sections and our own screens. That is very, very simple. Okay. The concept that what we are going to be dealing about this one, different certain things. And I'm going to introduce a business use case tomorrow. Because so far we deal with only single leads, single accounts, single opportunities, single cases, right? So according to our project, we have multiple leads, multiple type of leads are there. Let us say, for example, student is one of the object consider. There are different types of students will be there. If you consider BTech, EEE, ECE, all are students, but there is a variation in the entering the data, right? I want to show that kind of a variation when I'm entering the leads data in my Chrome tab. I want to show difference when I'm entering data in the cases, opportunities, customers also. I have two types of customers, I said. Who are they? Individuals and dealers. But still so far, there is no variation. I want to show the variation. Individuals variation I want to show. Prospects, dealers variation I want to show. That variation you will come tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is a very, 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 very important and interesting and job deciding factor session. Okay, don't miss this. And nowhere related to the existing knowledge. Tomorrow, the UI related stuff, it is nowhere related to the existing. Okay, clear? Okay, we'll catch up tomorrow. And we'll see more stuff. Okay, thank you. I'll upload this video immediately in next 15 minutes. Okay, because
Hi, sir.
encryption will
Sir.
take time. Yeah,
Hello?
yeah. Yes.
సార్ అది ట్రయల్ హెడ్ లింక్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తామన్నారు సార్
ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ
లేవు సార్
ఇగో ఇక్కడ నా స్క్రీన్ చూస్తున్నావా
డ్రైవ్ లో ఉన్నాయి సార్ అవి
డ్రైవ్ లో ఉన్నాయి
ఎస్ సార్
ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐఎమ్ కీపింగ్ ఇన్ ద డ్రైవ్
మీద ఉన్నాయి సార్
యా బికాజ్ this drive is a lifetime accessibility for you. Here you can see trailhead activities.
Okay.
I given 2 trailhead activities. You click on this link and do it. You click on this link and complete that activity.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Not video. Exercises those are. To do activities those are. Activity means to do. Yeah. All right, we'll catch up tomorrow. Okay. With a new fresh mindset, come up. If you are not getting farmers, leave it, no problem. I don't bother. Industry will teach you. Okay. All right, we'll catch up tomorrow.
సార్
But,
సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి ఎలా సార్ అంటే అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా రాదు కదా ఇది
ఏది?
నాన్ సింటాక్స్ దగ్గర
by practice you will come to know.
అంటే
not in
వేరే
day one.
వచ్చే వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం ఐటీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంతా కొంచెం కొత్తగా ఉన్నది కదా సార్ సింటాక్స్
even initial days I also face the same difficulty. Okay, whatever you are feeling you have, I also have the same feeling in the initial days, but later on I overcome that one. How? Practice and discussing with multiple people. You discuss with me every day, you practice and discuss with me every day, you won't get such kind of a feelings. Okay. Practice, that's what practice is important.
Sir, formulas are nothing but coding, sir.
No, not coding, that is
Okay.
just an expression. It is like a plus b expression. This is an expression, this is not a coding, right? I given you there, it's an expression, right?
Yeah.
It's not coding. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So at least online people plan some days for offline, because admin is simple, boss. Without me or with my existing videos also you can learn admin related stuff. But when come to the part of development, I want everyone to be here in Hyderabad for practice sessions.
From Monday will come, sir.
Yeah, come.
And continuously.
Yes. Because development is something like very interesting. That is development. Bale untundi development chestunte. I'll make people to be work on development, but you have to give time to me. Come every day here in the development sessions. Okay, I will be here with you. Okay, we both discuss and we'll work out on the development. Admin is simple. Without me or by reading the documents, you will gain knowledge by doing something in practice. But development means you need some guidance for development. So I will be there with you when you are doing from the scratch level. Very, very scratch level, I will try to make you write a code. Okay, that's what. So make time to come to the lab sessions. Okay, plan it. At least for a development part also, you please plan it. So it could be very simple. You are from Odisha. No worries. Okay, no worries. We'll decide in the development part how to deal. Okay, no worries. All right. I think you can able to understand my way of teaching. It's very simple. Any background people also can easily understand the way of what I'm going to be deliver the subject. Okay, but the only one request I will ask is you please give me time. If you give your time to me, then the result will be something different. Okay, thank you. Yeah,
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thank you.